Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. If you're thinking of making pens, there are specialised jaws that you can place on your chuck, which will help to make the job easier and will work more accurately. These two are specifically designed for pen making. Once you've removed your 4 standard jaws, you need to be careful of one thing in particular. On the back of the jaws, there is a little groove that is cut into the base of the jaw. That needs to line up with this little screw because that enables the jaw to slide neatly. Then, using the screws you've taken out from your other jaws, you just simply replace those in these jaws. And now that the jaws are on, you're ready to start working. If you want more information, click on the links below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.